Greetings, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to unravel the intricacies of work orders. We'll be exploring everything from their purpose and structure to their role in maintenance and operations teams. We'll also touch on the difference between work orders and work requests, and how to get the most out of your digital work orders using a CMMS. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned as we dive into this essential tool for efficient workflow management. Now let's dive into the world of work orders. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, you surely know that a maintenance work order is an authorization to carry out requested activities on a work request. This can be submitted by anyone in your business, from customers to staff. Once these work requests are reviewed and given the green light by maintenance, an official work order to complete the job is issued. A work order typically includes a description of the task or need, the name of the requesting department or individual, an estimated completion date, the name of the person or team to complete the task, the location of activities, and prerequisites to completing the end goal. This could be anything from parts, tools, to documentation. The purpose of this information is to explain the need, schedule resources, detail instructions, and estimate costs of parts and labor. Work orders can be for various tasks including inspections, preventive maintenance, emergencies, electrical work, safety measures, or special projects. Let's imagine a scenario at a fictional food packaging facility, Food Packer ABC. Through a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, the production manager submits a work request to their maintenance team. The maintenance team then issues a work order to complete the job. This work order includes all the necessary details like the title of the task, description, due date, estimated duration, priority level, category, who it's assigned to, additional workers, team, location, and asset. When creating a work order, it's best to work from a template. The most common items to include are a description of the task, the name of the person or party requesting the work, estimated completion time, the name of the party responsible for completing the task, location of the task or asset where the work is to occur, and prerequisites for completion. It's crucial to understand the difference between a work order and a work request. A work request is submitted by your staff or customers to request that work be performed on an asset. A work order, on the other hand, is an authorization from your maintenance planner to perform maintenance tasks. When work requests are submitted and approved, work orders are created. Work orders are not the same as purchase orders. A work order is used to assign maintenance tasks, whereas a purchase order is a document that authorizes the purchase of goods and services from outside vendors. Work orders play a pivotal role in improving maintenance. They are used to track completion of work and document usage of resources, whether that comes in the form of labor or parts. The collection of this data enables maintenance teams to generate clear metrics that can be used for performance monitoring, trend analysis, and continuous improvement. Digital work orders using a CMMS have numerous advantages over traditional paperwork orders. They are generally more efficient in terms of actual completion, reduce storage costs, improve accessibility, make data more visible, and lower labor and planning expenditures. To get the most out of your digital work orders, it's important to follow some best practices. Use a CMMS, create a standardized process, include all necessary details, attach checklists, and prioritize your maintenance tasks. Work order management software is a simpler version of a CMMS. It was created in response to the need for a more effective facility management strategy. Today, work order management software is widely used across various industries like manufacturing, housing, and contractors to centrally organize and manage the usually vast amount of requests that occur in a day. The primary feature of work order management software is work orders. Other popular features include work requests and contractor management. So, whether you're in manufacturing, housing, or contracting, work order management software can be a game changer for your maintenance and operations team. And that wraps up our exploration of work orders and their role in maintenance and operations teams. We've covered everything from their purpose and structure, the difference between work orders and work requests, and how to optimize your digital work orders using a CMMS. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into maintenance and operations. For more resources and tools to help your team be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com.